Okay, so let's take a look at parenting and how it works in Cinema 4D. So, as far as parenting goes, if you have something that is below an object, it is considered to be a child of the object that it is below. If it's on the same level, it's considered to be a peer. And if it's above, it's considered to be the parent. So, those are the basics of parenting here in Cinema 4D. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple objects in the scene. I'm going to put a cube here, and I'll put a sphere in here. Or actually, let's put something besides a sphere in here. Let's put a cylinder in here. It'll make more sense that way. So right now, these objects are independent of one another, so I can take these and spin these around. I can do that over here, and they are working independent of one another. However, if I take the cube and put it underneath the cylinder, then I have created a parent-child relationship. So now if I select the cylinder and rotate it, then the cube comes along for the ride. However, if I grab the cube and spin it around, nothing happens to the cylinder. So again, this is a parent-child relationship. So I'm going to break the relationship by taking the cube out from underneath the cylinder. And again, we have two independent objects. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to hit Alt-G or Option-G on a Mac to put these into a group. And they're grouped under a null. So now my null is the parent. If I grab that and spin it, you can see that both of my objects are coming along for the ride. And now my cylinder and my cube share a peer relationship. Okay, so let me go over here and just break this relationship here by pulling the cylinder and the cube out from underneath the null. Let me delete this. I want to show you something that you'll use time and time again in your 3D career. Let's say that I want to put this cube in the exact same space as the cylinder. Well, you could take it and you could move it and you could try and get it and maybe go into a different view and sort of pull it up here. Okay, but this is not really accurate. So what you can do is you can take the cube, put it as a child of the cylinder, and then you can take the cube, go to the coordinates, and zero its coordinates out. And now you know that it's exactly in the same space as the cylinder. Okay, so that's a trick that you'll use over and over again. So that's hierarchy and parenting here in Cinema 4D.